Like the title says, you don't need a lot of money to invest in real estate. Time and time again, I've seen people say, oh, I'm not rich already, so how am I supposed to invest in real estate? You don't have to be rich to invest in real estate. Yes, home prices and mortgage rates are at an all-time high right now, but there are plenty of options and opportunities out there right now for you. You gotta buy a cheap home, put a little bit of money into it, and flip it. If you invest in outer state, cheaper markets like Kansas City or Mississippi or anywhere in the Midwest or the Southeast, where some homes are as low as $40,000 or less, whatever the price is. Find a reliable contractor that doesn't require a huge down payment or any down payment at all, so you can save that money up front, or you could partner with somebody and split the cost, so you could get money from a line of credit if you already own a house, or if you have a relative. That's called private money. You could raise that money through private, right? You could use creative financing, where you actually go to a seller that's got a distressed house and you're willing to work a deal with them. It's called creative financing. You could go into that house with $0 down. I've done this several times. I bought a house in New Orleans for free from the seller. I went to the bank the next day. I got a loan for the construction. I put money in my pocket. I was able to fix up the house. Or like a USDA loan, 0 down, rural area. VA loan, 0 down, any area. There's a litany of ways that you can get started investing in real estate with no money, no experience, and I'm gonna break down a few more things. So first of all, wholesaling. That's not investing in real estate, but it is a great way for you to become a deal finder. We're always working with wholesalers. We're always training people how to wholesale, and I wholesale myself, but that's a way for you to actually get deals and put no money into the deal, and then as you build your capital, guess what? You're learning how to become a deal finder and buy assets. You can also do creative financing, where you work that deal with that seller any which way you want to. Above all, get a coach, get a mentor, get some guidance, and don't make an investment that you're unsure of. So, long story short, if you're looking to invest in real estate and you think that, like, I'm 18 years old, I'm 19 years old, I'm 20 years old, I'm 21 years old, I'm 22 years old, the one thing that we can't get back is time. Like, if I could go back and be 20 years old again, I would do completely everything different. But that's why you got YouTube. You can do things different. And listen, the inspiration for this video is my editor, who's like 20 something years old, 23, 22, started working with me at 21 years old. He watched enough of these videos, he edited enough of these videos. He's gonna show you in this video right now some of the work that they've done.
All right, so I guess it's my turn to talk. My name is Nick, I'm 25 years old. I've been working with Troy for about 3 years now, and during that time, I have learned a lot about real estate because of Troy. So what I did is I found an off-market property in South Carolina. It's on an acre. I ran the deal by Troy, and he said, dude, buy that right now. And so I did. I purchased it for $42,500. The monthly payment on that alone was about $480, which is of course very manageable. Then I pulled out a construction loan with a local bank here and started pouring money into this house to fix it up. And after all was said and done, I'm about $90,000 into it. And it could have been less money if I didn't hire a certain contractor, but that's all right. I'm paying around $800 a month total before electricity and things like that. Yes, it's a rural property, which may not be for everyone, but I like it. And yes, I did have to save some money for a while to be able to afford it. I spent a few $1,000s out of pocket, but trust me, when Troy says things like don't buy Starbucks every day, it's because it's true. Food, drinks, and needless spending really does add up, and if you're able to eliminate those expenses for a while, get on a budget, and save money, you can buy a house too. I could flip this house for a profit of roughly $40,000. I could turn it into a rental property, but I'm gonna live here because I like it, and doing this whole process makes me realize how easy it can be to invest in real estate. All right, back to you, Troy.
So if you don't think that you can do it, it's because you're not financially disciplined. And if you want to become financially disciplined, you gotta learn how to save money. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that Nick is an inspiration to you to get started investing in real estate. I hope that I'm an inspiration to get you started in real estate, because you only live once, tomorrow's not guaranteed, and you gotta take action today. And if you want a coach, we've got a link in the description. We'd be glad to help you find your first or next investment property. I've got guys in my class that have 42 rental properties. I've got people that have never done a rental property, and all of them tell me I'm so surprised about how much I learned that I didn't know. We're all learning every day, and I hope you learned something on this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button, and make sure that you take action today. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.